Hello and welcome to another episode of To Future Photography. Today I'm going to be heading to Seaham Harbour. The reason I'm heading to Seaham Harbour for is to shoot the pier, and we've got some really strong winds today, gusting between 40 to 50 miles an hour. So they'll be creating some big waves as the winds come from the north, so it'll be smashing straight against Seaham Pier. I have shot this pier before, but I've never vlogged it. So today I'm going to be vlogging it and I'm going to be taking you along with us. And I'll be able to show you where I shoot from, how to get there, so you can come yourself sometime. So before any photography takes place today, the main priority for me is a nice cup of coffee. So I'm just waiting now to get me coffee. So how I got the information that was going to be big waves today is, also I checked the weather obviously, but what I use is an app called Magic Seaweed. So I'll put it up now. So I use this app. This app will tell you, it'll give you surf forecast for the week, for the day. And this is what I use anytime I'm chasing big waves. So and it's free to download this app, so I would highly recommend getting this app. It just gives you a head start. I mean, you can plan your days when the big waves are going to be hitting. So that's what I use. That's a little tip from me. So I'll just put up a picture that I've taken from here before. This was taken about 3 weeks ago. So if you have a look now, that is what can happen at this place in Seaham. The waves get absolutely massive here and you can get some really epic shots. So hopefully today we're going to see the same conditions there. The wind's just starting to pick up now. It was supposed to pick 11 o'clock. It said it was going to start blowing, and it looks like it's picking up. So hopefully we're going to get some massive waves down there, because they do look pretty epic. Just look at these seas. And you always close these gates when it's high seas like these. Look at that. And it's a very popular place for the photographers. They're all lined up there, getting the shots. I think I'll perch on one of these rocks, like these. Okay, so I'm set up and I'm just focusing straight in on the lighthouse. Take a look now. Settings I'm on, going for F11, so I can get the lighthouse in full focus on the waves. Look at them waves. Absolutely magnificent. So how I'm framing this shot up here, if you take a look, just got the lighthouse to the right of the frame and I'm zooming right in about 500 millimeters into the lighthouse. Very rough seas today. You wouldn't want to be on a boat out in that. Oof, look at that. So I'm keeping settings F11. ISO 100. I'm just waiting for the right time. when a big wave hits a lighthouse. It is absolutely wild out here today. Wild. Okay, so I'm going to head to this second location now. And where I've parked is, if you look over there now, you can see the Beach Coma Hotel. It's parked on the right hand side. And then you want to head in that direction. But I will show you in some detail. And this location I'm going to now, it's called Nessie's Hole, or Nessie's Point, or something like that. And this is where I took that shot that I showed you earlier. So it's a great spot. It's a lower down elevation, and you get a really good view of the pier. So I'm heading there now. It's a windswept day, but it's great fun. I love photographing the waves. Absolutely love it, I really do. I could watch them all day. Head along the promenade. And you want to turn left where it says this sign here. Turn left. And then head down these steps here. And there's already a couple of photographers here. This is a great elevation to capture Seaham Pier. So the conditions down here now is really, it's a big struggle to keep the camera still because the wind is that powerful. It's hard to get a shot in focus because the wind is so strong. So it's all about timing. Just pressing that shutter at the right time. The settings I'm using, F11. I'm on 125th of a second. Oh, it is, whoa! It is absolutely, the wind is that bad, it's almost unshootable this. Oof. Just trying to keep the camera still in this wind is almost impossible.